Hi there guys, it's day 3, August 29, it's 6:50 in the morning, and this is day 3 of my Fitspiration vlog. As you can see, there are training here with the police force of Iloilo. A lot of motorcycles outside. I'm lucky to have a parking space. Anyway, see you later guys. And masyadong malakas yung spotlight ko ngayon. So guys, I'm walking back out of the Esplanade, and it's already finished my routine for the day 3, August 30. It's already 7:40 in the morning. I'm going to pass by the market to buy some vegetables again, and this time I feel a little bit lighter. Haven't got a taste of cigarette for almost 3 days now, and no beer, so I feel healthier. Yeah, and thank you so much for watching. I still have 2 days more to go for this vlog, and I hope you stick around. Yeah, and enjoy the rest of the day. God bless.